Hello my dear students, so we are back here again with one more new video. So in this video I am going to talk about the preparation of phenol. Preparation of phenol, right? So we had completed with the preparation of alcohols. As I told you that in this particular chapter what is going to be important is the preparation of alcohols, phenols and ethers, right? As we had seen that the preparation of alcohols was the most interesting one. Similarly, the preparation of a phenol is also going to be very interesting, right? Okay, again, so here are total 4 methods for the preparation by the phenol. So you can note down these methods first. Method number 1, from chlorobenzene, right? So this is the first method. This is also called as the Dawes process. What is the name? Dawes process. It's a very famous reaction, right, in the organic chemistry part, in the alcohol, phenols and ethers, and most of the time this reaction is asked. So this becomes the very important reaction as far as your board exam is concerned. Then the next method is, this is also very important and many a times it is asked in the exam, from cumene, right? Then the third method of preparation is from benzene sulfonic acid, Then the last method of preparation is from aniline, right? Okay, now first we will see all these compounds. What is chlorobenzene, what is cumene, what is benzene sulfonic acid and what is aniline. Okay, so let's see what is chlorobenzene. You all are very familiar with this particular compound. Benzene ring and a chlorine, this becomes a chlorobenzene. So in this particular reaction we are going to use this particular reactant for the reaction. Okay, what is cumene? See, CH3 CH3, right? So this is nothing but the propyl, and to this propyl at the second position we have a benzene ring, right? So this becomes your cumene. Cumene का एक दूसरा नाम भी है, that is called as the isopropyl benzene. Why it is called as the isopropyl benzene? See, this is a carbon containing, this is a carbon chain of a 3. So the parent alkane will be propane. One of the hydrogen is replaced by the benzene ring, so it becomes a propyl. So at second position, we have a benzene ring as the substituent, so it becomes the iso. I told you, whenever at the second position any substituent will be there, we are going to put the prefix as the iso. So iso, propyl, benzene or cumene. So this is the compound which we are going to use in the particular reaction. Okay, then what is the benzene sulfonic acid? See, this is also very easy. Benzene ring and sulfonic group. SO3H is nothing but the sulfonic group. So this is what we are going to use in the reaction. Then what is the aniline? Aniline is very easy. Again benzene and then NH2, amine group. Whenever to a benzene ring amine group is attached, that particular compound will be called as the aniline. What is the name of the compound? Aniline, right? Okay, so these are the particular parent compounds what we are going to use in the reaction. Okay, now here we have to understand in this particular method that what all conditions we are using for the reaction, right? So this is from cumene. I will write it again. This is from benzene sulfonic acid, and the last one is from aniline, right? Okay, so here in this case the condition of the reaction is very important, right? As I told you that in the board exam the conditions are very important. If you don't mention the conditions, then half mark or even 1 mark will be cut in the particular reaction. That is why scoring in organic chemistry is always difficult, because you have to remember each and every bond, right? and cutting the marks in organic chemistry is a very easy thing to do, right? Okay, so let's look at the conditions for the reaction. That is why I am making it separately, all the condition of the reaction, right? Oh, so in this particular reaction from chlorobenzene, we are using the condition as NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 150 atmospheric pressure. This is the condition of the reaction. See, from chlorobenzene, NaOH, alkali, 623 Kelvin, 150 atmospheric pressure, right? And let me tell you, this particular Dawes process or from chlorobenzene process is the most economical process. Most economical process for making the phenol, right? And the most favored process for making the phenol in the industry, or it is also called as the industrial method of preparation. Industrial method of preparation, right? Okay, so let's come here from cumene. What are the condition? Cobalt naphthenate. Cobalt naphthenate at 423 Kelvin. This is the condition for the reaction. We are using the cobalt naphthenate at 433 Kelvin. The reaction is taking place, and this is called as the commercial method of preparation. This is called as the commercial method of preparation. From chlorobenzene was the industrial, from cumene it will be a commercial method of preparation, right? Condition here is NaOH 623 Kelvin, 150 atmospheric. Condition here is cobalt naphthenate, 423 Kelvin. Then let's come to the benzene sulfonic acid. Here the condition is NaOH dilute HCl. Dilute HCl and NaOH we are using. Then from aniline, NO2 plus HCl, then 273 Kelvin. This is the reaction condition, right? So why we use this NaNO2 and HCl? See, NaNO2 plus HCl will get converted into HNO2, that is the nitrous acid. The name of this compound is nitrous acid, right? So this nitrous acid we are going to treat it with the aniline. इसका reaction, nitrous acid का reaction हम लोग aniline के साथ करेंगे, right? That is why we take this NaNO2 and HCl, right, in the reaction. So these are the important reaction conditions. देखो, पहले इसमें NaOH 623 Kelvin, 150 atmospheric pressure. दूसरे इसमें cobalt naphthenate 423 Kelvin. तीसरे इसमें NaOH dilute HCl. चौथे इसमें NaNO2 plus HCl 273 Kelvin, right? So these are the reaction condition. My dear students, you can make a note of this, and you can also make a proper chart of this particular reaction conditions, right? So whenever you learn the reactions, okay, so let's learn the process. The method number 1 by Dawes process from chlorobenzene. This is the industrial method. You can note it down. This is the industrial method of preparation of phenol, right, by chlorobenzene. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हमको ये समझना है कि ये क्लोरोबेंजीन प्रिपेयर कैसे होता है, राइट? इट इज अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल थिंग. हमको पता है कि बेंजीन का इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन होता है. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू ऐड अ Cl2. Only Cl2 do we need to add? No. Along with this we will also add the Lewis acid. So Fe and AlCl3, right? It will get converted into a क्लोरोबेंजीन. ये होता है क्लोरोबेंजीन का रिएक्शन. दिस इज हाउ वी प्रिपेयर द क्लोरोबेंजीन. ओके, सो बट वी डोंट नीड टू प्रिपेयर द क्लोरोबेंजीन हियर. वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर द फिनॉल फ्रॉम द क्लोरोबेंजीन, राइट? इससे हमको फिनॉल बनाना है, ये वाला कंपाउंड, राइट? सो दिस इज द कन्वर्जन. फ्रॉम दिस वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू दिस. सो हाउ द रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस? लेट्स क्विकली सी द रिएक्शन. सो हियर step number 1, what we are going to take, we are going to take the chlorobenzene and treat it with the NaOH at 623 Kelvin, 150 atmospheric pressure. As I told you, this is the condition of the reaction. It will first get converted into sodium phenoxide. सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड, जिसके ऊपर Na के ऊपर प्लस चार्ज होगा, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. व्हाट इज द नेम? सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड. सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड, राइट. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप, इसका HCl के साथ रिएक्शन, H प्लस H2O एसिडिक मीडियम, एसिडिफिकेशन होगा एंड वी विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट एज फिनॉल. ये OH हो जाएगा और ये NaCl will be eliminated from the particular reaction. So this is the Dawes process of preparation of the particular phenol, right? So next time I am going to show you, in the next video I will show you the proper mechanism of this particular Dawes process. Actually in the board exam the mechanism for this reaction is not asked. In your NCERT new textbook also, that is your state board textbook, the mechanism of the reaction is not given, right? So only reaction is mentioned, but for your understanding I'm going to tell you the particular mechanism for the reaction. Okay, let's go for the next reaction. Okay, let's go for the next reaction. That is the second method we are preparing is from cumene. From cumene. So I told you what is a cumene. Cumene is nothing but a benzene ring, and to this benzene ring we have the propyl group attached. So it is also called as the isopropyl benzene, right? So इसमें क्या होगा? This particular cumene is treated with oxygen. Now where does this oxygen comes from? This oxygen comes from the air, right? So we have taken the oxygen in presence of cobalt naphthenate. Cobalt naphthenate at 423 Kelvin. This particular reaction will go by the free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism यानी कि ये रिएक्शन हम लोग सनलाइट HNu सनलाइट के प्रेजेंस में कैरी आउट करेंगे, जिसमें इसका होमोलिटिक फिजन होगा और इसका भी होमोलिटिक फिजन होगा, राइट? सो दैट आई विल टेल यू how the fission will take place in the mechanism, right? Okay, now just understand the reaction. Okay, so it will get converted into a complex first. See, CH3 अभी ये वाला CH3 मैंने थोड़ा सा ऐसा लिख दिया ऊपर, CH3. Now the addition of this oxygen is taking place between this carbon and hydrogen. So see, oxygen and hydrogen, right? So this is how the free radical mechanism has taken place, and the compound which is formed is cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide, and this cumene hydroperoxide on acidification with dilute HCl, it will get converted into two products. Product number 1 will be phenol, that is the desired product, and the second product will be CH3 C double bond O CH3. The name of this compound is acetone, right? Acetone और phenol, दो products मिलते हैं हम लोगों को इस रिएक्शन में. कौन से वाले रिएक्शन में? क्यूमीन वाले रिएक्शन में, राइट? सो क्यूमीन वाले रिएक्शन में we get a two products. One will be a phenol and one will be a acetone, right? So I hope that you have understood this particular method. For the mechanism I am going to make a separate video, right? Okay, so we are going for a third method, that is the benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. This is also a very simple method for preparation. What we are going to do, we are going to take a benzene sulfonic acid, going to treat it with the alkali NaOH, right? So this particular compound is formed, SO3 and Na. Na will contain a plus charge, SO3 will contain a minus charge, right? The name of this compound is, you can note it down, sodium benzene sulfonate. What is the name of the compound? Sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate on further treatment with a one more unit of NaOH at 523 Kelvin will get converted into सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड. देखो ये वाला स्टेप फिर से आ गया, राइट. ये वाला स्टेप हमने देखा था डाउस प्रोसेस में, राइट, जहां पे हमने सबसे पहले स्टेप में क्या किया था डाउस प्रोसेस में. डू यू रिमेंबर दैट रिएक्शन? इन द डाउस प्रोसेस वी हैड टेकन द क्लोरोबेंजीन and treated it with the NaOH. Got converted into a sodium phenoxide, right? And that sodium phenoxide on the acidification got converted into a phenol, right? तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग सेम ही करेंगे, इसका acidification करेंगे dilute HCl से, right? So what will happen? Again OH will be formed plus NaCl will be eliminated. See, the reaction is very very simple. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? Benzene sulfonic acid on treatment with NaOH, it will get converted into sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate on treatment with a one more mole of a NaOH at 523 Kelvin get converted into sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide on a further acidification will get converted into a phenol and the leaving group will be NaCl, right? So I hope that you have understood the particular reaction. Okay, now let's quickly go for the fourth method and we can finish with the video. That is from aniline, right? So aniline क्या है? मैंने बोला था आपको aniline is nothing but a benzene ring and a NH2, right? So we are going to treat this aniline with the nitrous acid. You can note it down somewhere else. How this nitrous acid is prepared? NaNO2 और HCl का रिएक्शन करेंगे तो हमको नाइट्रस एसिड मिलेगा. सी HNO2 will react together to form a nitrous acid and NaCl will be eliminated. ऐसा रिएक्शन होगा ये. सी NaCl plus HNO2 ये रिएक्शन से, राइट. सो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज HNO2, that is the nitrous acid. So this will react and it will first get converted into benzene disonium chloride. ये बहुत फेमस है benzene disonium chloride. N2Cl minus N2 plus. The name of the compound is benzene disonium chloride, right? Then this benzene disonium chloride on a further hydrolysis it will get converted into phenol. बहुत simple reaction है, right? It will get converted into a phenol, right? So this reaction is called as the preparation of a phenol from a aniline. So I hope that you have understood all the four methods for the preparation of the particular phenol. Okay, there is one more method which is not mentioned in your textbook. That is method number 5 by using the Grignard reagent. By Grignard reagent, यानी कि Grignard reagent में हम लोग इसको प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. So what is that reaction? Simple है. So how Grignard reagent is prepared, we will see this. Okay, so here in this case I have taken a chlorobenzene. When I treat this chlorobenzene with the magnesium metal in presence of dry ether as the solvent, it will get converted into MgCl. This is nothing but the particular Grignard reagent. देखो ये Mg जो है इस बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर चला जाएगा एंड इट विल फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड Mg plus Cl minus. ये वाला कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ArMgX. आई गिव यू बिफोर बिगिनिंग द लेक्चर आई टोल्ड यू दैट देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ अ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट. एक तो एरोमेटिक वाला होगा और एक तो अल्काइल ग्रुप वाला होगा. सो हियर वी हैव टेकन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ एरोमेटिक वन. सो Ar is nothing but the aromatic and aromatic is nothing but the benzene ring, right? Okay, so benzene MgCl, right? So this is how we have taken the Grignard reagent. Now this Grignard reagent we are going to treat with the half mole of O2. It will get converted into OMgCl. Now this OMgCl on a hydrolysis H2O right? It will get converted into OH plus Mg OH and Cl. देखो एडिशन कैसा होता है H2O का, वी ऑल नो दैट H2O में क्या होता है H plus OH minus, right? So here I will split and I will show you OMgCl, right? This is the compound. So how the splitting will take place? See, H will get added this side and OH will get added on this side. So MgClOH will come out as the living group and OH will get attached to this benzene ring, right? To this benzene ring, and what the compound is formed? Phenol is formed. तो फिनॉल का और एक मेथड मिल गया आप लोगों को, दैट इज द फिफ्थ मेथड. दिस इज द fifth method of preparation by using a Grignard reagent, right? So my dear students, I hope that you have understood all the preparation methods of the phenol. Okay, in the next video I will be showing you the reaction mechanism for the Dawes process and for the cumene, right? Because these two methods are very very important, and for your CET and for your NEET exam most of the time they are being asked in the particular exam, right? Okay, so let's stop the lecture. Okay, thank you very much.